Hi everybody. Welcome my channel. Are you looking for the best diesel welder generators? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best diesel welder generators on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check the user to see which one is in your budget range.
At number 1.
Looking for a powerhouse that'll keep your home running smoothly during power outages? Meet the Westinghouse 12500W dual fuel portable generator, your new best friend when the lights go out. Whether it's a storm, blackout, or just Murphy's Law in action, this generator has you covered. Running on both gasoline and propane, this beast gives you flexibility and peace of mind. With 12,500 watts of starting power and 9,500 running watts on gas, or 11,200 starting watts and 8,500 running watts on propane, it'll keep your fridge cool, lights bright, and maybe even the Wi-Fi running so you don't miss your favorite show. Worried about starting it up in the rain? No sweat, it comes with a remote electric start. Yes, you can start it while you stay cozy indoors. Plus, it's transfer switch ready, so no more extension cord spaghetti. The best part? It's not just for emergencies. Take it camping, use it at your next tailgate, or maybe just power up the whole neighborhood block party. With this generator, you'll feel like a superhero ready to save the day. Just don't forget to share the power with the neighbors, or not.
At number 2.
Looking for a generator that can handle your power needs with ease? Say hello to the DIESEL dual fuel portable generator, the multitasker you didn't know you needed. Whether you're prepping for emergencies or gearing up for a camping trip, this generator's got your back. What makes it awesome? For starters, it runs on both gasoline and propane, giving you the flexibility to choose. On gasoline, it delivers 4,750 starting watts and 3,800 running watts, while propane gives you 4,350 starting watts and 3,500 running watts. That's plenty of power to keep your essentials running, like the fridge, lights, or even a coffee maker, because camping without coffee is just wrong. The electric start makes life easy, just press a button, and you're powered up. Plus, it's transfer switch ready, meaning no more messing around with extension cords. Want to power up the whole house? No problem. And don't worry, it's carb compliant, so it's eco-friendly and safe to use. Whether it's for home backup or outdoor adventures, the DIESEL is your trusty sidekick. Just don't let it steal the spotlight at the next camping trip.
At number 3.
Meet the Duramax XP13000EH dual fuel portable generator, the powerhouse that can handle almost anything you throw at it. Whether you're facing a power outage at home or heading out for an off-grid adventure, this generator is your reliable backup plan. This bad boy delivers 13,000 starting watts and 10,500 running watts, which means it can power your fridge, air conditioner, lights, and even your microwave all at once. It runs on both gasoline and propane, so you can choose the fuel that works best for you, because options are always nice, right? Starting it up is as simple as pushing a button, thanks to its electric start feature. Plus, with dual fuel capabilities, switching between gas and propane is smooth as butter, no need to stress over fuel shortages. The blue and gray design is as stylish as it is powerful, so it'll look good wherever you need it. Perfect for home backup, this generator is a total beast in emergencies. Just be careful, your neighbors might start showing up with extension cords.
At number 4.
Introducing the Westinghouse 6500W dual fuel portable generator, your trusty sidekick when the power goes out. Whether it's a sudden storm, a power outage, or just an excuse to show off your new RV, this generator is ready to keep your life powered. With 6,500 running watts and 8,100 starting watts, this generator can run on both gasoline and propane, giving you flexibility when fuel options get tight. It's got the power to handle your fridge, lights, and even your home office, because let's face it, no one wants to miss a Zoom meeting due to a blackout. What makes it even cooler? It's transfer switch ready, meaning you can easily connect it to your home, and the 30A RV-ready outlet ensures your next road trip has plenty of juice. No more worrying about low power while camping. Plus, the built-in CO sensor keeps you safe by detecting carbon monoxide buildup, so you can relax knowing you're protected. The electric start button makes getting it running as easy as pie, no pulling cords in a panic. Just remember to charge it up before the storm hits, because we all know they never arrive on schedule.
At number 5.
Introducing the GenMax 7250W Super Quiet Dual Fuel Portable Generator, the power source that's as strong as it is silent. Perfect for home backup power, camping trips, or those just-in-case moments when life decides to throw you a curveball. This powerhouse generator delivers 7,250 starting watts and 6,000 running watts, giving you enough juice to run your fridge, TV, and maybe even keep the microwave humming for those emergency popcorn needs. Running on both gasoline and propane, it offers you the flexibility to choose whichever fuel is easier to get your hands on, because options are always a good thing, right? The best part? It's super quiet, so you won't disturb the whole neighborhood when it's running. It's also got parallel capability, so you can connect it to another generator for even more power if needed. With a remote/electric start, you can kick this generator into gear without even leaving the comfort of your couch. How's that for convenience? And don't worry, it's EPA and CARB compliant, making it environmentally friendly. Whether it's powering your home or your next adventure, the GenMax is ready for anything. Just don't be surprised if your neighbors ask to borrow it.